So good morning, ma'am. So here is my admin dashboard for our system, which is the Assisco, and it is a scholarship system with trackings. So here in the dashboard, uh, anyways, this is the super admin account, and for super admin, uh, the super admin has access on everything. She can uh, approve or decline an admin account to ensure that the systems are in a good hands, or meaning yung loob lang mismo ng business process nila yung may hawak ng mismo system na to. So, for example here, this super admin, pwede siyang i-archive. Tapos, itong admin, may admin din, tapos may super admin. Yung admin, ang pwede niya lang gawin is yung mga process sa system for the scholars. And then yung sa super admin naman, pwede siyang mag-decline or archive ng mismong admin accounts. Pwede niya ding i-terminate yung account. So, for example, mag-resign yung isang tao na may hawak ng account, pwede niyang i-archive yun para hindi niya na ma-access yung mismong system. So, here in this manage admin accounts, yun nga po, pwede niyang i-edit or i-archive yung account para hindi na magamit mismo ng individual na yan. And then, sa mismong dashboard, meron lang applicants and student, new applicants, rejected applicants, and pending applicants for scholars na nag-enroll. And here we also have list of scholars and where nandito yung mga scholars na nag-a-apply. So, for example, i-edit niya yung name ng applicant, i-view niya yung submitted documents as well as the personal information, and pwede niya din i-archive if declined or rejected yung applications ng applicant na yan. And of course, may reports and monitorings for whole scholars. So, for example, may total applicants, many applicants, may approved, rejected pending, and applicants per barangay. We also have filtered here kung gusto natin ng barangay, kung gusto natin ng merong specific barangay. So, that's it for my admin dashboard for our system. Thank you po.